So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. Learning from class 19. Algorithm design, conditional statements, operators, testing of avoidance. So let's overview of today's class. Components of IR sensor, working of IR sensor, comparator of LM393, and Arduino Nano pinout. So I'm showing components of IR sensor. So you can see that white LED is known as IR LED and black LED is known as photo dioptride. So I'm going to comparator. So this is so important. You can see the plus and minus symbol. So let's go on next page. Working of comparator LM393. So you can see next page. Working of IR sensor. So okay, IR LED sense, and if any objects come, it reflects back to photodioptride. Next is IR sensor PCB design. So you can see next. So our question starts. Why do not the IR sensor work properly in sunlight? Uh, because the sun also releases IR waves. These IR waves are also detected by the sensor. It cannot based on the source of the IR waves, so it will give wrong results. That's why it does not work in sunlight. So we'll go on next question. Why IR sensor cannot detect dark objects? Because all of the IR sensor comes in the pair. The clear IR LED emits the infrared light, and darker LED is the sensing part. So let's go on next question. We can see IR light using a mobile phone camera, but uh, why, why not with naked eyes? Um because uh, the cell phone cameras is more sensitive to light than human eyes are, so it sees the infrared light that is available to us. That's all. You can see Arduino Nano pin out. So from next class we are doing advanced course. Thank you guys. Bye bye.